Okay, so if I was in an actual classroom, I would be handing out the cubes. I would do 10 ones cubes, and then 10 tens cubes, and 100s cubes. But obviously, I'm not in a classroom. We don't have those materials, so we're just going to go ahead and skip on to the real lesson. Okay, so we're doing place value. Switch slide. Okay, so our champs for this, we're going to be at level 1 or 0 voices. We are going to raise our hands if we need help. Our activity is our math lesson and math notes, and then we're going to do a game at the end. Our movement is we are sitting at our desk. Our participation is answering questions and writing in our math notebooks. And so how we know we are successful is if we have our notes completed. Okay, so go ahead and take out your math notebooks and turn to the next available page. Okay, so first we're going to write the definition of digit. Digit is a symbol that represents a whole number. So it's just like some of these numbers like 9 and 2 and 5. It's just one single whole number. It can't be a percentage or a fraction or a decimal. The next definition is value, and value is the amounts that each digit is worth. So if there was a 8 in the tens column, it would be 80 and not just 8. And then finally write the definition, place value. And place value tells the value of a digit in a number. And we will see more of this here soon. So here you can see all of these are digits. But the digit in the tens place is what?
5.
Good job. And so what is the value of the tens place then?
5.
No, that would be the digit that's in the tens place. So if you see the 10 at the very top, it's a 1 and a 0. So what do you think we need to put at the end of that 5 to add the value of it?
A 0 to make it 50.
Good job. Okay, so here we see 10 ones, 10 1 cubes, just like we saw at the beginning, add up to make 1 10 column cube. So how many of the 1 cubes are in the 10 column cube?
10.
Good job. Okay, and now you see here, we have 10 column cubes. So how many of those make a 100s block?
10.
Good job. We have to have 10 of those to equal 100. Okay, so here is our place value chart. So go ahead and write this down in your notebooks. We have the digit number 3 in the thousands. We have 2 in the hundreds, digit 4 in the tens, and digit 5 in the ones. So when we're adding this, you would see 3 thousands, and we have the 3, and then 3 zeros after. And then we have 2 hundreds, so we have 0 after. We have 4 tens, and so we put a 0 after. And then we have 5 ones, and it adds up to be 3,245. So these are the ways to write numbers. There's the standard form, which is 245. The expanded form, that's 200 plus 40 plus 5 equals 245. And the number word, which is 245. And write those in your notes. Okay, and now we're going to leave our math books out on our table, but we're going to get out our whiteboards and our markers. Okay, so write down on your boards what value is the digit 8 in. Which value?
Me.
What do you have written on your board?
80.
80. But yes, it's 80. But which which place is it in? Which place value does it? Is it in the hundreds?
The
tens?
the tens place.
The tens place. Good job. Okay, and what is this one that's highlighted? Which place value is this one in?
The hundreds place.
The hundreds place. Good job. And finally, which place is this one in?
Ones place.
The ones place. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to write a number in the hundreds in standard form. So any number that has 3 digits, we're going to write it in standard form. Okay, I'll go ahead and look at your boards. Very good. Good job. Okay. Write the number 637 in expanded form. Go ahead and show me your boards. Good job. Okay. And write this number that you see in standard form. The number is 356. Okay, go ahead and show me your boards. Good job. Okay, and so now what we're going to go ahead and put our math notebook into our desk, and we're going to play a game. You're going to write a random number on your board, and it can be between 0 and 300. So any number you want, any number that has 3 digits. And once you're done, flip your board over so nobody else can see it, and stand up. Okay, so how this game works is whatever number you wrote, I'm going to say, like, for example, if you have a 4 in the tens column, go ahead and sit down. And if you have a 4 in the tens column, then you're going to sit down, and unfortunately, you're out of the game. And we're going to keep doing this until there's one person remaining. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is if you have so if you have a 0 in the ones place, go ahead and sit down. Okay, and obviously this would go on for as many students. I unfortunately only have one that still cannot listen to the rules. So thank you for watching my lesson, and I really hope you guys really enjoy it. Thank you.